Hi, this is my presentation, and my topic for today is the use of freshwater sustainability. And I'm going to discuss how to increase freshwater supply, how to use freshwater sustainably, and how to reduce water pollution. But first, let me give you some freshwater facts. The definition of freshwater is water containing less than 1,000 milligrams per liter of dissolved solids, most often salt. As a part of the water cycle, Earth's surface water bodies are generally thought of as renewable resources, although they are very dependent on other parts of the water cycle. Some examples of fresh water are lakes, rivers, and waterfalls. Now, let us talk how to increase freshwater supply. These are the results from the survey made by sustainability experts to resolve freshwater crisis. First, educate to change consumption and lifestyles. Invent new water conservation technologies. Recycle wastewater. Improve irrigation and agricultural practices. Appropriately price water. Develop energy-efficient desalination plants. Improve water catchment and harvesting. Look to community-based governance and partnerships. Develop and enact better policies and regulations. Holistically manage ecosystems. Improve distribution infrastructure. Shrink corporate water footprints. Build international frameworks and institutional cooperation. Address pollution. Public common resources or equitable access. R&D or innovation. Water projects in developing countries or transfer of technology. Climate change mitigation. And lastly, population growth control. Next is sustainable use of fresh water. How do we do that? Here are some examples. First is sustainable fishing methods. Do not use chemicals when fishing. Instead, practice carbon-conscious fishing. Use lead-free tackle. Practice catch and release unless you hook an invasive species. Pack out everything you pack in. And when you keep your catch, use every part of it. Next is recycle wastewater. Water your plants with collected rainwater, excess drinking water, and recollected overflowing water from plants. And lastly, save water at home. Turn off the faucet when not in use. And lastly, how to reduce water pollution. Here is a video you can watch to learn how to do so. That is all for my presentation. This is Jharen Jan M, Norico, and thank you for watching. That is all for my presentation. This is Jharen Jan M, Norico, and thank you for watching.